How to fix File Explorer problem. So if you want to fix your File Explorer problem, if your PC or my computer is not opening, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your search. Now under search, you need to search for Task Manager. After that, just click on the Task Manager and it will open up your Task Manager, right? Once you open up your Task Manager, now here you need to scroll down and you need to find the Windows Explorer section. So scroll down and then find the Windows Explorer. Once you find the Windows Explorer, you can just simply click on it, which is right here. So you need to go with the Windows Explorer and click on that and go with Restart. And once you go with Restart under the Windows Explorer, then it might fix your problem. You just need to simply go back, and after that, you can open up your Windows Explorer and it might work. But if that still doesn't work, then you need to go with your File Explorer. After opening your File Explorer, now you just need to simply go with View, which is on the top, go with the drop down, and from the drop down, you can go with Show. And here you may have folder options, but if you don't find the options here, you can go with the three dots. And under the three dots, you need to go with the option section. Now under options, you will have this kind of interface. You need to go with general and then go with Open File Explorer 2, go with the drop down, and you'll have this PC option. Select this PC. And here on the first, you need to check the option of browse files. You need to check it on open each folder in the same window. And under the second option, you need to go with the second toggle, which is double click to open an item. And after that, go with the search section and make sure that you've only checked the first one, which is include system directories and not the others. And after that, go with restore defaults. And after that, go with apply and OK. And once you've done, you can go back and try to open this PC and it will open up this PC. So that's it. That's how you can fix this PC or my computer is not opening. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.